Here's how to carve a roast chicken or turkey. Start by carving off your wings. I like to take my knife and start to make an incision right against the breast where the wing meets. Then take the wing in your hand, twist and pop it out. Cut the trussing string at the ankle to release the legs. Slice between the leg and the breast, right down to the bottom of your board, and then using your hands, pull up the base of the chicken until the leg joints pop out of place. With your knife, cut down where the joint was. Your chicken thigh will come away cleanly. And if you want to separate your leg further, hold the drumstick upwards with the skin side away from you. Take your knife and slide it between the drumstick and the thigh. Gently pry your drumstick back and you'll be able to go straight through where the knuckle is. Now for the breasts. Find your breastbone and move directly to the left of it. Now slide your knife from the top of the chicken towards you, making a slicing action to pull away the breast. You'll want to follow the underside of the breast with your knife until it comes away. And I'm going to cut that in half on the bias. Then turn your chicken around so that the top of the chicken is facing you. And using the exact same action to the left of the breastbone, slice away your breast. And again, I'm cutting the breast on the bias. I just think it looks prettier. And my favorite part of the chicken is when you flip it over and grab the tiny little oysters just on the back. They're so flavorful and delicious. And don't throw away your carcass. That's perfect for making a beautiful stock. If you'd like to learn how to make stock, check out my video in the description below. So you've got your oysters, your drumsticks, your thighs, your chicken breasts, and a couple of chicken wings. And your carcass for stock. If you're looking for more sides for your roast dinner, check out my roast dinner playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.